So if you don't have the means or the time to make a longer edited piece, you can make a 1-moment video pretty easily with your cell phone. Here I'm going to teach how to do waddle and daub, which is a piece of knowledge I can easily transmit in a one-shot video. You can also talk about an idea or a feeling. Since I'm all alone, I have to push record by myself, but I have plenty of time because I can easily snip this part out. So I push record, and I'm ready to tell my story. Hi, Ian, Natural Builder here. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a waddle and daub wall. This is actually the most ancient construction method known to man. Been used in every culture around the world. In this case, we have a post and beam structure that I filled in with this waddle, which is made out of sturdy bamboo. And here I have my daub mix, which I'm using 60% sand, 40% clay, and plenty of fiber. I've got bamboo fibers, as well as some straw. First thing I want to do is wet down my previous wall, so I get some good adherence. I might want to use a mist sprayer for that, but in this case I'm just going to sprinkle more water on there. Get the wood nice and wet. I can take one of my cats that I formed earlier, just to make it easy to bring my daub up to my wall. And I want to work it into all the little cracks and sections of my daub, of my wall. There's a real nice feeling about working with mud. Just want to work it into all the cracks, make sure there's no air pockets. And you're ready for your next cat. Easy, right? Remember, even if you have no editing skills, most cell phones will allow you to easily trim the beginning and the end of your clip, so you can share just the part you want. Since I was the cameraman as well as the actor, you can see there's a whole part in the beginning that I want to cut out. So I can go to Edit, and my phone will allow me to scrub to where I want to start the video. I can do the same thing for the end of the video. Hit done, and I can either save it as a new clip, which is a good idea because then you keep your original.